The question is, what does a DFD depict? The four options are flow of data, flow of control, both flow of data and control, and none of this. The correct answer in this case is option A, the flow of data. A DFD, a data flow diagram, is a way of representing a flow of data of a process of a system, not the flow of control. The DFD provides information about the outputs and inputs of each entity and the process. A DFD has no control flow because there are no decision rules and no loops. Specific operations based on data can be represented by a flowchart but not DFD. The DFD is a simple graphical formalism that is used to represent a system in terms of input data to the system, various processing carried out on those data, and the output data generated by the system. For example, here in this simple DFD, the flow of data item between two functions, read number and validate number, is depicted. There is no flow of control shown within this DFD. Thus, a DFD depicts only flow of data.